What if you could know every single move your competitors are making with their ads? Well, today we're going to unlock that power. We're going to show you exactly how to see every ad they're running on Google and Meta. And honestly, the cost to do it might just blow your mind. So are you kind of tired of guessing what your competitors are up to? You know that feeling, right? You're in the dark, you're not sure about their ad copy, their landing pages. It's a huge frustration. Getting clear, actionable intel feels next to impossible. But what if it wasn't? All right, here's the game plan. First, we'll tackle the ad black box. Then we'll dive into the 3 modes of intelligence you can use. After that, we'll unpack the data you get, talk about smart scraping on a budget, and finally, figure out what this new competitive edge could mean for you. So what is this black box anyway? Well, think about it. Google and Meta have these public ad libraries, sure, but they're kind of a mess. The data is often incomplete, the layouts are always changing. Trying to stitch together a competitor's strategy from these sources alone is a massive headache. This is exactly where the Ad Intelligence Scraper comes in. It's designed specifically to crack that box wide open. And the key word here is hybrid. It's a tool that brilliantly combines the free public ad libraries with the serious power of premium intelligence sources. Okay, let's get into how this thing puts you in complete control. It's got 3 different modes you can run it in. This lets you perfectly balance the kind of data you need with the budget you have, from totally free all the way to deep premium insights. This table really lays it all out. First, you've got free sources only. This pulls basic ad data right from the public libraries. Then there's auto mode, which is this really smart hybrid approach. It takes that free data and juices it up with valuable engagement metrics from Poweradspy. And for the absolute richest data, you can go Poweradspy only for direct access to all those premium insights. Now, it is super important to understand what you get and what you don't. If you run in free-only mode, I can guarantee you won't see things like likes, shares, or comments. That data, the stuff that tells you what's actually resonating with people, is going to come back as 0, or just be missing entirely. That's the big limitation of using only the public libraries. You know how public ad libraries are always changing their code? It's a nightmare for traditional scrapers. Well, this tool has a super clever solution. It's called the Stagehand LLM fallback. Basically, it's an AI safety net. If the normal way of grabbing data fails, an advanced AI literally jumps in, reads the page like a human would, and finds the ad data for you. So cool. The process is really simple and elegant. The tool always tries the fast, standard method first. But if it hits a wall, maybe the website code changed overnight, it doesn't just crash and burn. Nope. It activates the Stagehand AI, which then just intelligently figures out the new layout and gets the job done. It's like a self-healing system that makes sure you always get your data. Period. Okay, so we know how it works. Now for the really fun part. What data do you actually get? What does this intelligence look like when it shows up on your screen? Here's just a sample of the structured data you get back. You've got all the essentials, right? Ad ID, platform, the ad copy. But look at those highlighted fields: likes, shares, comments. This is where that premium integration really shines. This super valuable engagement data comes exclusively from Poweradspy. And check this out, there's another killer feature baked right in. The scraper doesn't just give you the landing page URL. It automatically figures out what technology that page is built on. Is it a Shopify store, a custom site, maybe a WooCommerce setup? You'll know instantly. Now, why is that such a big deal? Well, for any digital strategist or marketing agency, this is an absolute goldmine. You can instantly pull a list of every single competitor in your niche that's driving ad traffic to a Shopify store. Or, hey, if you sell services for WooCommerce sites, you can generate a hyper-targeted lead list of companies that are actively spending money on ads. This isn't just research anymore, it's a lead generation machine. Okay, I know what you're thinking. This level of power must be super expensive, right? But one of the best things about this tool is that it gives you total control and complete transparency over your budget. How transparent are we talking? Well, let's just put the number out there. 20 cents. And nope, that's not per ad. That is the starting price to get 1,000 ad results. This makes large-scale competitive analysis incredibly affordable. You can pull massive amounts of data without even thinking about breaking the bank. And you have these direct levers to control your spending. You can set the concurrency. That's just how many data requests you want to run at the same time. Need results faster? Crank it up. Need to keep costs super low? Just dial it down. You can also cap your requests per minute, which gives you this really precise way to manage your budget over time. No more surprise bills. So, when you put all of these pieces together, you've got the hybrid data sources, the AI powered resilience, that incredibly rich data output, and the fine grained cost control. What does it all really add up to? I think this quote from the source material just says it perfectly. This isn't just another scraper, it's a resilient, hybrid intelligence system. It really does give you the best of both worlds, the sheer scale of free public data, plus the critical depth of premium engagement metrics. And that really leaves us with one last powerful question to think about. If you woke up tomorrow morning with a complete, detailed report of every single ad your top 3 competitors are running right now, you knew their messaging, their visuals, their landing pages, and exactly which ads were getting the most engagement, what's the first thing you would change about your own marketing strategy? Seriously, think about that.